Today we'll start with chapter 3. Chapter 3 is controls, and here we will speak about the objects and how to change their properties in the Visual Studio. So we'll start with properties control of tools. To try to make it run to the project, we have three ways. So we can start with F5 or start debugging from the green arrow, or otherwise we'll go to menu debug and choose start debug. Here we will speak about form and button, label, text box, list box, com box, group box, ready button, and checkbox to change their properties. We will say that some properties will work after some another properties, and some properties just limited to some objects, and some properties are general for all the objects. So let's go and start with form, and here we have 10 properties for form: name, text, black color, front border style, control box, minimize box, window state, maximize box, right to left layout. We will start here with property of name. Property of name in form. When we start the name and text properties, both of them have a standard value for 1, as we see here, and we can change it to another name. For example, we change it to grade 9. So name of the form used in code window. That means when I will change the name value, it will not give any effect on design or even one time. The value of name property doesn't appear on the form because it is used as form name in code window. Let's go and check that in the program. Right now, this is the side of the properties window, and we have here two sides. Left side have the name of the property. Right side have the value of the property. So here name, the standard name is form 1, and these are the properties of the form because I activate the form right now. Here it's form 1. When we change it to grade 9, we change it to grade 9, but actually still the name of the form is still form 1. So why not appear when I'm going to the code window? I will find here the new name grade 9 because this is the name of the form in the code window. Second property, it's text, and text also have the first name is form 1. I will change it now to grade 9. If we look at the form here, change it from form 1 to grade 9. So the text will appear in the design and in runtime. If I'm going to start debugging from here or click F5, I will make start to my project, and here it's clear in the project right now by the name of grade 9 in the text, and the text the name of the form. Back again to text, we set the text and explain it, and we say we'll change it from form 1 to even my name or grade 9, and it will appear as like that in the new form, and text will appear mode in the design mode and one-time mode. We are going to back color. Back color property, the background color of the form. We can change the background color for the form The standard color, it will be gray like that. So we can change it from a regular color to green color. From black color, and the property will change the value to green. At that time, all the form will become green. This will appearance mode, in design mode, and runtime mode. Let's go and try it in the program. We will search here for back color, control, and give gray. If we open it like that, we have three options: system, web, and custom. For example, I will choose this color. Now right now become like this color. Okay, if we come back again, choose green color, for example, now become green color. So that's how to change the color. After that, we have for border style, and the border style to the four, we can change it. We have many options, like fix it 3D, fix it single, or none. All of that available in the option of the form border style. For example, here this is the border style. After I change it to fix it 3D, it will become like that. The border style of the form window. And this one will appearance mode and InDesign mode and runtime mode. So let's go and change it. Right now we will go for border style. That's it. We will find sizable and the standard value, sizable, and it's better to always save the standard value, because in the exam will ask us too much about that. We can open it and change it. We have here many options like fix it 3D. Look at the appearance of the form border. We can change it also to fix it single, be concerned. So we can change it also to none. At the none, we don't have border style. So again, we'll come back to the standard value, sizable. So it's become like that. Let's go to know what the next property, control box. Control box, as we see here, this is the control box in the form, and it's appear for minimize box, maximize box, and close box. The standard value is true for the control box. If we change it to false, it will disappear on the control box. So in controls, the appearance or disappearance of control box or form window. It will appear in design mode and runtime mode. The standard value is true and we can change it to false. So let's go and try it also. That's right now the control box. We'll go to control box. The standard value is true and we'll change it to false. Right now it's disappear to control box. Return it again to true. Right now it's appear. If we are going to minimize box here, because this one also is us, this also standard value is true to minimize box and maximize box. If we are going to minimize box and we choose false, we will see it's become like light or disappeared for minimize box. If we return it again to true, it's different now. We are going to maximize box and we'll change it to false. Same to that, it's become disappear. If we make it true again, it become clear now. Appear on the title. So this will appear also in design mode and in runtime mode. So here we have minimize box. It controls the appearance of or disappearance of minimize box of form window, and maximize and minimize. Both of them will change it in the false. It will be disappearance. It will be appear on design mode and runtime mode. As we said, also maximize same issues, and the standard value is true, and you have option to false, change it to disappear. Right to left and right to left layout. The difference between all of them: in the right to left, the direction of controls on form window from right to left, and in this situation they change it only the direction of the controls. In the right to left layout, the layout of the control in the form, we will change it from right to left. All the layout change. But if we didn't change the right to left first, nothing will happen when we change right to left layout. So this property, right to left layout, will not work if we didn't change right to left property. This is very important. So we have here one property depend on another property. The standard value to right to left is no and yes. Right to left, the standard value no and yes. No and yes, we can swap between of them. So if yes, it will be changed. The standard value is no, and it will appear in design mode and runtime mode. For the layout, it's false and the true. False at the standard value. When we change it to true, it will appear in design mode and runtime mode. So let's go and try it in the program. Right now, we will go to right to left, and under here, right to left layout. Right to left standard value no. Right to left layout standard value false. If we change the value here to true, nothing happen. Still same. But if we are going to right to left and we'll change it to yes, now fully change. But here, let's change it to right to left and right to left layout. Make it right to left layout to be false. So as we see, only change the title direction. But if we change right to left layout, see here, fully change to the direction. The control box change because we are rounded the layout, full layout. So come back again, and we are going to window state and the last property to form. Window state will appear only on the runtime mode. So when we change it to state, window state properties, the value of the properties will not appear in the design, but will appear on runtime mode. We have three options for this one: normal, minimize, maximized. So we have normal, minimized, maximized. The standard of it normal, but if we change it for maximized, it will be full screen when we will run time the project. It defines the window state of the form maximizing, minimizing, or normal. So let's go and try it. Right now we'll go to window state, and we will change from normal to maximized, and then we'll make F5 to run the program. As we see, the project become full screen when I make it uh, runtime to the program as a project. Now it's become full screen. If we are close and we change it to normal again and make it to play, now it's like that, not full screen. So that's what that mean when we change to the Windows state. This is the situation of the project when we will make it runtime. If we make it maximize, it will be full screen. When we make it normal, it will become more normal. When we make it minimized, it will be smaller. So that's it. Thank you. See you.